What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review a web series, and especially the names are very big behind it, especially making it as a sports documentary. And it's Sons of the Soil, Jaipur Pink Panthers. So I hope maybe Shah Rukh Khan will also likely to make about his cricket team that he got in IPL. Maybe it's just fun, sarcastic or fun, I don't know. And so in here, at least the good thing is that the kabaddi gets the recognition, especially on another level, and it's the series is all about the common players from a very rural, down-to-earth families, how they will meet the challenges when they are under the spotlight. So the narrator Abhishek Bachchan tells, because he is from our media and he's getting something that he has no knowledge of, but the good thing is he can muster up the courage, help them to shine while they have money, fame, spotlight, and there is so many things at stake. And this is a good thing that they really want to do, because that's all the web series is. But best thing is now we are bringing these rural sports which were very well recognized during still now in Olympics. So this will create more sportsmen in these kind of sports rather than only focusing. Everyone wanted to be a cricketer. If you get one gold medal in Olympics, all the people will follow that one. That's a very tragedy of our society. If you win a World Cup, all the people wanted to become a cricketer. And now there are other sports in the Olympics and all this. Who will, like a swimming, golf, and all this? They are very big sports, and all the because some sports are very hard. People cannot afford it, especially like golf. But here in kabaddi, all the people could participate. Very good, especially, and it doesn't cost much. But here, they have brought it to the next level to help them how the young lads are keeping the balance between the things that are happening around them. It was very unusual for them, because in the provinces or in their rural areas, nobody give them this kind of fame, appreciation. Now the good things are all on 180 degree. Uniforms, big stadiums, slogans, chants, superstars, media, advertisers, sponsors, all these things are at stake. And Abhishek Bachchan is playing a vital role, giving them the courage to define what they need to do. Especially they are representing their villages, they are representing their communities, and especially what is that dressing room. It's a very famous thing that happens in the sport. Whatever it happens in the dressing room, it's always heated up with the arguments, with the things around them. And especially on day-to-day life, when they are more into sports, they know it now. Their life is not like that, so they have to follow the rules, they have to set a boundary, they have to follow what the coach is saying, whatever their next goal is. So many things. So I believe you will really like it, because we don't need to see what the who is representing, what is represented, but the important thing is at least somebody is bringing these kind of national sports to another level. There are other sports also that will likely come sooner or later, because if this way the documentaries will come out, or this web series will come out, it will help youngsters to be motivated to do whatever they really wanted to do. Maybe somebody we could be good in a relay race, jumping, cycling, badminton, tennis, because you can see that there are some countries those who are very good in particular sports. Why not with the big huge population, we could be in every department to represent ourselves and the country and everything. I hope you really like it, so kindly like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much. Bye bye.